What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide a chat on Snapchat. Whether you're trying to keep your chat list tidy or have private conversations you want to keep discreet, Snapchat offers a simple way to hide chats without deleting any messages. Navigate to the Snapchat Chats page. You can do this by swiping across the Chats page from the camera page or by tapping on the Chats button in the bottom navigation bar. Once you're on the Chats page, locate the conversation you wish to hide. To hide a chat with a person, press and hold on the chat with that person and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select Chat Settings and you'll see several options. Look for the option that says Clear from Chat Feed. Tapping on this won't delete any messages. It simply hides the conversation from your chats list, making it invisible until you choose to interact with that person again. After selecting Clear from Chat Feed, you'll need to confirm your decision. Snapchat reassures you that this action will not delete any saved or sent messages, so you can proceed without worry. Once you confirm, the chat disappears from your list, effectively hidden from view. Now, you might wonder how to bring back a hidden conversation. The most straightforward way is by sending a new message to the person. You can easily find them by searching for their name in your friends list or using the search function. Once you send a new message, the chat reappears in your chat list just like before. And that's it. That's how you can hide and unhide a chat on Snapchat. This feature is handy for managing your conversations and keeping your Snapchat experience organized and private according to your preferences. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.